Okay. A little update here at the garden. We're going to be using, sorry, I'm hearing bees all around me, and I'm hearing little snakes and skinks all around me too. It's pretty sunny today, so they're running around the hotter surfaces. Little ectothermic creatures, especially that tarp over there. I think there's maybe a rat snake under there. It's kind of noisy. Let me know it's there. But yeah, back to these black bins. They were like, oh, there goes a skink right there. I'm too slow, I missed it. It was a cool skink, big, I think what they call 5-line skink. Just ran over here. Let's see if we can find it. Can we find it? Maybe there's some under here. Sorry, I'm getting distracted. My ADHD's kicking in. Oh, there's a skink right there. Oh, there's two. There's three. 3 skinks. Wow. Dang it. Maybe, oh, there they go. Let me bring it over here. Let's see if they're over here. Yeah, there they go. You see that? I don't know if the camera can catch that. Maybe you can pause the video. See this, all this mint. The mint has jumped the bed from over there. All this mint right here. Another skink in here somewhere. No? Alright. Well, a lot of skinks around. Move this back. Let's see if there's any skinks under here for us. I'll get back to the original point of the video in a sec. No skinks here, just a spider and some pill bugs. Okay, back to the video. Skinks, are you there? But yeah, so these were like $8 each, and they're black plastic. I know it's some plastic you want to avoid for sure. I'm not an advocate for plastic here. Okay, back to it here. So here we have these black bins. They were like $8 each. I forget from where. But yeah, do not want to be advocating for plastic in the garden, especially black plastic. But I have a lot of like fruit trees, and I'm going to be getting some more dwarf peach trees, blueberry bush, fig trees, things of that nature that I don't want to commit to putting in the ground, and that I will need a larger space to grow them in. So I'm going with these, and hopefully I'll line them up like over there. We shall see. But again, I'm not saying we should all be putting more plastic in our garden. I was definitely trying to put less in, but these are just a quick fix for me this year, for the time being. Hopefully to get some more produce out of my garden this year, and yeah, hopefully it works out. Because oh, woodpecker. Sorry, my ADHD is kicking in again. But yeah, these should be good. Hopefully it'll help me get more produce. I'm going to order some dwarf peach trees, and I'm going to woodpecker, and I'm going to put probably the blueberry bush in here too, because it's going to need more space. Blueberries, my figs are looking good, but they're only getting like this big because of the space that they're in. Like they can only get so big. They're not going to produce too much in these unless I really over fertilize them, which I don't want to do either. Then I've also got this pawpaw, these 2 pawpaw trees. They're still kicking. 2 pawpaw trees here, and I need to get them bigger spaces as well. What's this? This is just like a maple. Nothing. Ginkgo right here. Oh, there's a skink. See that skink? Here goes another skink. So cool. Little garden friends. I'm standing around the mint beds now, so I smell a lot of mint. It smells great. It smells great. The beds did not contain them, that's for sure. Let's look over here for some skinks. See if I can show you what I'm talking about. No, nothing. Oh, a snake, black rat snake. You see that? That's a black rat snake right there. Let's look over here, see if we can find it. Let's see if we can find our black rat snake friend. Probably really warm under this tarp, and it loves it. Let's see what we got. There's a skink. Look at that beautiful skink right there. Where did our black rat snake go? I think it's under here. Let's look under this blue tarp. This is a big skink right here. It's a big boy. Look at that. 5-line skink. And then we'll look under here for another garden friend. No, just ants. Oh, here it is. Here's our friend. Look at this black rat snake right here. At least that's what I think it is. Yeah, look at that big guy. Look at that. Just enjoying the sun today. I don't know if you can see that. Is it too dark? Look at this guy. Wow. Probably like 2 feet long right there. Really, really pretty. It's okay, we're not gonna harm you. You enjoy the day. Enjoy the heat. All right, very cool. Got to see some skinks and snakes and bumblebees. All the fun stuff. All right, let's not put a brick where the snake was. We'll just stack it in on either side here and over here. Perfect. That is fun. No snake under there, right? Okay, perfect, very cool.